Hello, Chef here with yet again another video for you. I've got some valuable information that I thought I would share with you, and it starts right here. These are my favorite pair of Kevlar gloves. So I'm going to put them on, and I'm going to show you a couple of tips here, a couple of tricks. These are really, really nice. They're rubber palmed, they're Kevlar. They're stretchable, expandable. They're a size large, but actually medium as well. One size fits all. Now, what's so special about these Kevlar gloves? I gotta tell you, I've got about 10 pairs. Yeah. So the reason is I throw them in the laundry when I'm done with them. They're always clean. We're good to go. So I wear these when I go grocery shopping, when I'm picking up cans and food and things like that. Even when I'm cleaning my cart, when I'm sanitizing my cart, I'm wearing these gloves so I'm not picking up germs. All right, pick up canned food off the shelf, someone else touched this. I don't know who, I don't know where, I don't know their name or their background, but this is non-GMO. This is really, really good quality olives. I want to stay healthy, so that's why I'm wearing the gloves. This goes in my cart. My cart's been cleaned and sanitized. I'll get into that in another video. Of course I'm wearing the gloves. Chunky soup, yeah, some of the family likes the chunky soup. It's good. Can't go wrong with this brand, okay? I got some chipotle peppers in my cart. I got some baby mushrooms as a backup. Fresh is better, but hey, we like our mushrooms. Kidney beans, high in protein, you gotta have them. Some canned fruit, keep it around just in case you can't get the fresh fruit. Peppercorns, oh, green peppercorns in brine. Peppercorns kill all kinds of germs and bacteria. They're good for your gut. Okay, a little bit of Salsa Verde. Of course I make fresh, I make my own in the summertime, but when I can't get that, it's good to have this in the cabinet. All right, moving along here with my shopping list. These are foods you should be buying and having in your diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes. How to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Okay, tomatoes. We should be eating tomatoes quite often, okay? Put them in a sauce, put them in a soup, put them in a salad. Bananas, you gotta have bananas. Okay, to complete my shopping list. Oh yeah, what do we have here? Of course, root vegetables. You need some root vegetables. Score those, and I'm gonna move on to the next video. I highly suggest, in this changing world and changing times we're living in, you score some multivitamins as well, okay? Vitamins are really good for you. I'm wrapping up this video. Subscribe right down there. Stay tuned. Check out the next video where I'll be using another pair of these Kevlar gloves. And by the way, there's one place you can buy these on sale right down there. Click the sponsor's link. Smash that like button, share the video with your family and your friends. Stay safe. These go right in the laundry when I'm done, and if you prefer, put them in the dishwashing machine. Doesn't matter. They're clean, they're good to go, ready for another day. I have several pairs of them. I really like them, and they last. There's Kevlar braided in the material. Rubber-coated Kevlar gloves. Really nice. Have a great day. Get cooking. Star anise. Oh, really nice quality. Hard to find,